Welcome to our video on integrating your own personal Google Analytics. Google Analytics is one of the best web traffic reporting tools available. Note that Google Analytics is meant for aggregate traffic analysis, not tracking individuals. Keeping that in mind, Google Analytics is all about big data, so it's not used for personal identifiable information. When you want to look at the behavior of a single registered visitor on your website, you can look at the client activity via Turbo Leads, but when you want to look at the big picture to learn more about your website traffic and visitor trends, use Google Analytics. With that, let's take a look. The amount of information at your disposal through Google Analytics is massive. The reporting home screen has your traffic reporting essentials, including the counts of users, conversions, and events during a specific time period. Keeping in mind that Google Analytics is something provided by Google rather than iHOUSEweb, this video just covers how to integrate your analytics account to your iHOUSEweb website. With that, we'll put a link to Google's knowledge base down in the description if you'd like to learn more about using Google Analytics. Getting Google Analytics up and running on your website is very simple. If you already have a Google account, you're halfway there. Otherwise, you'll need to create a Google account. Once you're logged into a Google account, visit analytics.google.com. This will be linked down in the description as well. You will be prompted to create a Google Analytics account for your website. If you don't already have one, the account creation process is straightforward. Give your account and website property a name, answer some simple questions, and click Create. If prompted to choose a platform, select the option for Web Data Stream, and then press Create. Proceed until you're provided your measurement ID. Copy this, and then return to your iHOUSEweb website and access your admin menu. From the admin menu, locate SEO, which is short for Search Engine Optimization. Under SEO, you'll see Google Analytics. Paste in your measurement ID, check the small box labeled Activate Google Analytics, and then save. And that's it. You're all set. You can verify that your tracking code is working by viewing the real-time report in your Google Analytics account dashboard. Load up your website in a new tab or in a separate device, and you should see a new visitor appear in your reporting. And that concludes our tutorial on adding your own Google Analytics to your iHOUSEweb website. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out our other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. But most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our elite service team a call at 866-645-7700 or open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.